So if you are good in these 7 marks questions, you can able to answer one 7 mark question in the long answer section. At the time of question paper discussion, I will explain you where the long answers will come in. Now just what you have to do is class wise practice all the questions of straight lines. Now in this one, find circumcenter of the triangle formed by 1 comma 3 0 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma 1. What is circumcenter? Suppose there is a triangle. We are finding two bisectors. They are intersecting at a common point S. From there, if we draw a circle, it touches all the corners of the triangle. See, if a triangle is there, we are drawing taking perpendicular bisector of this side, perpendicular bisector of this one. Wherever the bisectors intersect, that is S, circumcenter. From that point, we will draw one circle which touches all the three ends of the triangle. So such case is known to be a circumcircle, in which you have a circumcenter. So what you have to remember is, if I ask you what is circumcenter, you should tell me. Circumcenter definition: intersection of perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle. Circumcenter is intersection of perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle, or you can just say the distances of SA is equals to SB is equals to SC, or SA square equals to SB square equals to SC square. So what you have to tell whenever circumcenter is asked to you? No need of remembering all those definitions and all. Just you have to tell me. To find circumcenter, if I ask you, we need to find circumcenter. You have to tell me SA square equals to SB square equals to SC square. Or you can also tell me SA square equals to SB square and SB square is equals to SC square. These are the two things which you need to remember. So first thing, let S is equals to x comma y be a circumcenter. Then 3 points are given to you. A is 1 comma 3, B is equals to 0 comma minus 2, C is equals to minus 3 comma 1. See, they have given 3 points of a triangle. Okay. Vertices of triangle are given. Sometimes they give equations, like in second question they give equations. We have to find the vertices and we have to find circumcenter. Sometimes directly they have given the vertices. So what you have to do, S, A, B, C we have to consider. Then we know that SA is equals to SB is equals to SC, implies SA square equals to SB square and SB square is equals to SC square. Think that these are the formulas which we need to consider. SA square, S and A square, which we have done in locus chapter. Same thing. SB, S and B, first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. And SB square, first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square, equals to SC square, first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. Now we are simplifying these two. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here x minus is x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into y into 2 is 4y, and this is x square, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. Opposite side, same values get cancelled. So 9, 4 is there, nothing. So we have to write the remaining things. 1 minus 2x plus 9 minus 6y minus 4 minus 4y. These two terms we have considered to left side, and x square y square is cancelled. Anything else which is equal? No. 4 plus 4y minus 9 minus 6x minus 1 plus 2y equal to 0. Now we have to arrange the terms in order. To arrange them, minus 2x, x terms are there? No. So minus 2x. Y terms minus 6y minus 4y minus 10y. 1 plus 9, 10 minus 4, 6 equals to 0. And x terms 6x with minus sign. Signs are most important thing which many of them will not consider that. 4 minus 10 is minus 6 equals to 0. If I divide this equation by 2, what I will get? Minus 1x minus 5y plus 3 is equals to 0. And if I divide this one by 6, 1, 6 ones, 6 ones. So these are the two equations we need to solve in order to get circumcenter. How to solve two equations? Solving 1 and 2 for circumcenter. To solve 1 and 2, second term will write, third term, first term, second term. Similarly, second term, third term, first term, second term. X, Y, 1. X divided by AD minus BC, Y divided by AD minus BC, 1 divided by AD minus BC. A and D, minus 5 minus 1 times 5. 1 into 3 is 3. Then 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 5 is 5. So x by 2 equals to y by minus 4 is equals to 1 by minus 6. So x is equals to 2 by minus 6 and y is equals to minus 4 by minus 6. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 3, which minus sign, and y is equals to 2 by 3. This is circumcenter. To find circumcenter, what are the things which you need to remember is SA is equals to SB is equals to SC, and SA square equal to SB square. SB square is equals to SC square. This is the formula you need to remember. Then SA square equal to SB square, we have to do simplification, and SB square equals to SC, that simplification. Then we will get two equations if you simplify both at a time. Then once you get two equations, you can find circumcenter by applying this formula. Given lines. What are the given lines we have? 3x minus 1y minus 5 equal to 0. 1x minus plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. These are the three equations given to us. These are the three equations, and we need to find circumcenter. given points. Now we need to find ABC. Then we have to proceed for the process. 1 and 3, in between 1 and 3, see 1 and 3 are intersecting at A. 1 and 2 are intersecting, 1 and 2 are intersecting at B. 3 and 2 are intersecting at C. So what we have to do to get A, B, C, we have to solve certain equations. See what we have to do? Solving 1 and 3 for A. Then solving 1 and 2 for B. Then solving 2 and 3 for C. Check once again. In the previous question, we have the points given to us A, B, C. So we have taken let A is equals to, let S equals to x comma y be a circumcenter. Then A, B, C are the point. Then we have taken S square equal to S square. But here S, A, B, C are not given. Instead of that, equations are given. So we have to solve them first. Then we will follow the process. Now to solve for A, 1 and 3. First equation, second term, third term, first term, second term. Then third one, second, third, first, second. X, Y, 1. X divided by AD minus BC. Y divided by AD minus BC. 1 divided by AD minus BC. Minus 1, minus 15. Here minus 25, 3. Here 9 and minus 5. So x divided by minus 1 plus 15, 14. Y by minus 28, 1 by 9 plus by 14. So x is equals to 14 by 14 and y is equals to minus 28 by 14. X is 1 and y is minus 2. So A we got it, 1 comma minus 2. Next is 1 and 2 for B. 1 and 2, second term, third term, first term, second term. Second, third, first, second. X, Y, 1. X divided by AD minus BC, Y divided by AD minus BC and 1 divided by AD minus BC. So 1 AD 4, this is minus 10. 5 ones 5, this is 12, minus 12. 3 2s are 6, 1 times minus 1 is 1. X by 4 plus 10 is 14. Y by minus 5 plus 12 is 7. 1 by 6 plus 1 is 7. So x is equals to 14 by 7 and y is equals to 7 by 7. Therefore, b is equals to 2 and 1. Similarly, third one. Solving 2 and 3. Second term, third term, first term, second term. Second, third, first, second. X, y, 1. Those who are unable to see this one, so many one of them have visibility issue. They can do one thing, they can follow the steps, they can do with their own. X by AD minus BC, Y by AD minus BC and 1 by AD minus BC. 2 minus 12, minus 20, 1, 3, 10. X by 14, Y by minus 21, 1 by minus 7. See, you have to be very careful while dealing with the signs. 3 minus 10, don't simply write 7, that is minus 7 in that way. Then x equals to 14 by minus 7 and y is equals to minus 21 by minus 7. Therefore, point C equals to 7 2 times 14 minus sign denominator comes to numerator. This is 3. So we have A, B, C 3 points. Now we will discuss regarding, we have to find circumcenter. So let S equals to x comma y be a circumcenter. A is equals to first point 1 comma minus 2. B is equals to 2 comma 1, and c is equals to minus 2 comma 3. So these are the points we got by solving 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and 1 and 3. Once we got these points, what is the formula we have? SA is equals to SB is equals to SC for circumcenter, SA square equals to SB square, and SB square is equals to SC square. Now I am taking SA square equals to SB square, SA square, first minus first whole square, plus second minus second whole square, SB square now. First minus first whole square, plus second minus second whole square, and SB square equals to SC square, SB, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to SC square, x minus of minus 2 is x plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square. Now simplifying this one is a square plus b square minus 2ab, here also a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square plus b square minus 2ab, here also a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Cancelling the same terms on opposite side. This one is also getting cancelled. Okay. Here x square y square cancelled. Plus 4 is also cancelled. Nothing else. So we will write the terms which remains here, minus 2x plus 4y. Then take that sign to the left side. Plus 4x plus 2y. And minus 4x plus 1 minus 2y minus 4x minus 9 plus 6y equals to 0. This is 2x plus 6y equals to 0. If we divide by 2, 2 1 times 2, 2 3 is 6 equals to 0. Equation 4 we can say. And minus 8x minus plus 4y plus 1 minus 9 is minus 8 equal to 0. If we divide by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1 times 4, 4 2s are 8 equals to 0. This is 5. We have fourth and fifth equation by these two. Previously we got 1 and 2 equations. Solving these two will give you circumcenter. So we will write now solving fourth and fifth for circumcenter. So what we will do for fourth and fifth? Simplification, second term, third term, first term, second term. Second, third, first, second. X, y, 1. X by AD minus BC, y by AD minus BC, and 1 by AD minus BC. Minus 6, 0. 0 minus 2. 1 minus 6. So x by minus 6, y by 2, 1 by 7. So circumcenter equals to minus 6 by 7, then 2 by 7. So two types of questions are there. Then you have this problem as you need to try this one and submit the work. What is the equations you have to find? See, first let me explain it once again. We need points if equations are given. Sometimes points are given, we can follow these steps. If a, b, c are given to us, take s is equals to xy, then sa square equal to sb square, sb square equal to sc square. You will get two equations, solve both of them, you will get circumcenter. If they have given equations, solve 1 and 3 for A, 2 and 3 for B, 1 and 3 for C, then 2 and 3 for C, then what we have? We will get all the 3 points, then you can follow the process. Now I will give you one question, you have to try that one. Find circumcenter. If equations of sides are x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. These are the sides. What you have to do? You have to find by taking this one 1, 2, 3. Solve 1 and 3 for A, 1 and 2 for B, 2 and 3 for C. Once you get ABC points, same follow the process equally. So watch the videos, then find this one.